Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a 2015 Jeep Renegade that we've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. Let's show you inside. So in the vehicle we've actually replaced this fascia. In addition to the fascia and the radio, we've also retained the factory steering wheel controls on the back of the steering wheel. We've also installed a reversing camera. So a couple of key features of the radio is actually a AM/FM radio. It is a DAB radio. The radio does Bluetooth streaming. It also does a normal telephone calls, and in addition it also does Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to have your maps, your music to hand. For more information on upgrading your Jeep or any other vehicle, please give the guys at Source Sounds a call on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching.